What's going on, guys? My name is Ben and you are watching Ben Daily Tips. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to count number of words in Google Docs. Let's get started. Here I have this sample document in Google Docs and I'm going to go to the tab menu, select tools, and after that select word count. Here, as you can see number of page, number of words and characters. Now I'm going to show you another thing. If you select a paragraph here and go to the tools and word count again, you can see the number of words in that specific paragraph. Now if you select a line and go to the tools and word counts, you can see number of words in that line. Another thing I want to show you is this option, displaying word count while typing. I'm going to select that and click on OK. And here I'm going to type a test line. This is a test from Ben Daily Tips. And here, as you can see, you can check number of words and number of characters, and you have an option for hide word counts. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please like and subscribe.